Hey guys, I'm Coach Michael Burt, the Super Coach. You know, I spent really a decade of my life coaching high school kids, and one of the things that made us so successful was we coached the whole person, the body, the mind, the heart, and the spirit. And what I found out is most school systems are not equipped to help people perform at a much higher level. They're not teaching emotional intelligence. They're not teaching bounce back. They're not teaching all of the things I think a person needs. Confidence, how to overcome insecurity, how to handle rejection, how to open up a sentence, how to meet and greet people, how to go out and generate revenue. And so last year I sat down and I developed the Greatness Factory for Kids online learning platform. And that is 25 lessons that you and your daughter or son can sit down at night, go through every single night and have some discussion about key important emotional intelligence things they're going to need to be successful. Last night my daughter and I sat down and talked about how to be a leader. We watched the 2-minute video, 3-minute interactive video, and then we discussed it. And she's only 6 years old, but I can't help but believe sitting down with her every night and covering a lesson, a specific intentional lesson. Instead of you having to come up with that lesson, I've come up with the lessons. All you do is click, watch, participate. It has a workbook that goes with it. So if you're serious about future-proofing your children from failing later in life, preparing them to thrive in a competitive and modern society where people are out there competing against each other for jobs, for money, for opportunity, teaching them how to walk in a room like someone, shake a hand, associate concepts, meet and greet, overcome objections, sell themselves, then this academy is for you. Go to greatnessfactoryforkids.com. You can purchase the online academy for as low as $67 a month or $697 for an entire year. Listen, every kid in the planet needs to be on this academy because it's that critical. My players were tougher, they were more connected, they were more intelligent, they had higher levels of chemistry, and they had higher levels of trust. And that's why we won those championships. I'm Coach Michael Burt. Go to greatnessfactoryforkids.com and get an online academy for you and your family.